The top 5 things I look for when screening a tenant. The top 5 things I use to qualify my tenants to make sure they're going to be good. Number 1, rental history. Do they pay? Do they pay on time? Number 2, do they move around a lot? Have they been in one place for a handful of years? Do they move every year? I like to see somebody that's going to stay for generally 2 to 3 years. My average tenant is 7 years. I have one right now that's been there for 18. Number 3, what does their current landlord say how they've been as tenants? Do they keep the place clean? Would they rent to them again? No, yeah, you're probably going to get some bias on that when you're asking an old tenant of somebody who's moving out. Yeah, you're going to get some bias, but go by the place. Take a look at where they are currently living and see the condition of it. If they're slobs, you probably don't want to rent to them. Number 4, do you want the best qualified tenant? Back to question number 2, I want somebody who's going to stay for a while. Generally, the best tenants and the best qualified people, they're probably going to move out soon, maybe 1 or 2 years, and then they're off buying a house. Now, yes, I want my tenants to go buy their house, and I'd love to help them. I'm a realtor also. But ultimately, I want somebody who's going to stay in my property, take care of it as if it is their own for 3 to 5 years, ideally. Number 5, lease term. Are they looking for a month-to-month, a 1-year term, a 2-year term? Certain areas have different requirements. For example, in Maryland, Montgomery County, the landlord has to offer a 2-year term. The tenant doesn't have to accept it, but it has to be offered. Now, we have ways as our property management company runs that to make sure that the landlord is also taken care of in that. We're not locking in the same rent rate for those 2 years. We're building in a little bit of an increase. Nothing crazy, but just enough to kind of hedge inflation, raising taxes, and raising insurance costs. So there are the 5 things that I look for when screening a tenant. I hope this is helpful, and if you're looking for a property manager, my team and I would love to help you. Information will be below, or you can always book a call with me directly, christhompsonteam.com.